Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we will learn about the detail and summary semantic tags. The detail tag can be used to create an interactive widget that the user can open and close by clicking on it. The content of a detailed element is hidden by default, only the summary is visible. The summary tag defines a visible heading for the details element. A user can click on the summary to show hide more content. So let's try an example to understand it better. All right, so let's add a details tag. The details tag should have summary tag as the first child. So let's add that. Let's give it some value. Say this is a summary text. And it can have more content which is hidden. So let's give it a paragraph. This is a hidden text. Let's save it. Let's run our local server. Now, as you can see, we've got this text on the screen. So when we click on it, it shows us more content. So that's what this details and summary tag is about. So it can have any content instead of P. It can have an image or a list or whatever you want. There's no restriction here. So let's try creating something out of this details and summary tags. All right, so let's try creating an index. So let's just say chapter 1. This is an introductory chapter. Similarly, let's add more, say to chapter 4. So chapter 2, chapter 3, and 4. For the second, let's add a list. So an ordered list item, say heading, paragraph, say next one, links. Similarly for chapter 3, let's try a link here. So let's just say href, say EdYoda.com. And let the fourth one remain like this. So coming back up. And now as you can see, we've got different chapters here. So when I click here, it shows us the description. When I click here, it shows us the list. When I click here, it shows me the link. And when I click here, it shows me the text again. Just a quick note, guys. The details tag is not supported by Internet Explorer. So if you run it there, it wouldn't work. Just keep that in mind. So it works in Chrome and Firefox. And that's all for today, guys. If there's something that you did not understand, feel free to drop a comment and we will discuss it. See you in the next video. Bye and take care.